Hello traders, hope so. You all are fine. We are here to presenting the new business model for traders. We are offering the most powerful indicators for traders. By the use of these indicators, you never lose again. We provide powerful tools of MT, 4 and 5 indicators, binary indicators, and expert advisors. We have more than 300 plus non-repaint indicators. We have a team of experts who develops powerful and profitable tools for you. So let me explain what actually our business model is. Our business model is for those peoples who are in the field of Forex, binary, and crypto trading, and they have large community, and for those peoples who wants to give services to their community groups channels and make them successful trader. You can buy our packages and sell to your community. Once you purchase any of the package from us, we give you permission. Sell to others like in your community groups channels. Once you become our partner, we helps you to grow your business in any terms you can earn thousands of dollars with the help of our business model. Let me give some examples. Imagine you are running community groups channels and you have more than 10,000 members and you buy our one of the package and sell to your members. Suppose 1% members buy product from you. By this, you can earn thousands of dollars. Suppose minimum 50 members purchase product from you in a month and your minimum price is between $150 to $200 per product. So you can earn more than $10,000 in a month. You can change pricing according to your audience. It's up to you. It's just an example. More community members. More you can earn, don't think. Just do it and grab this opportunity and start your business from today. We develop now you can enjoy without any hard work and grow your business. Just buy and target your audience.